Welcome to Brain Food Channel. Level up your life. It was a bright, sunny morning, and Alex sat at his cluttered desk, staring at the long list of tasks he had to complete. Deadlines were looming, and the pressure was mounting, yet he couldn't bring himself to start. Instead, he found himself scrolling through social media, watching videos, and doing anything but the work he needed to get done. Alex knew he was procrastinating, but he didn't know how to stop. Alex's story isn't unique. Many of us have faced the daunting challenge of procrastination, putting off important tasks until the last minute, and then scrambling to complete them under pressure. But Alex was determined to break the cycle. He decided to dive into the world of personal development to find strategies that could help him overcome procrastination once and for all. One evening, while searching for solutions online, Alex stumbled upon a video titled "Overcoming Procrastination Tips and Tricks" on a YouTube channel called Brain Food. Intrigued, he clicked on it. The video began with an engaging story about a successful entrepreneur who had once struggled with procrastination but managed to turn his life around using specific techniques. The first tip was to understand the root cause of procrastination. The video explained that procrastination often stems from fear of failure, fear of success, or even fear of the unknown. Alex realized that his hesitation to start was largely due to his fear of not doing a perfect job. Recognizing this fear was the first step towards overcoming it. Next, the video introduced the Pomodoro Technique. This method involved working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. By breaking his tasks into smaller, manageable intervals, Alex found it easier to begin. He set a timer and committed to focusing on his work for just 25 minutes. To his surprise, he found that once he started, it was easier to keep going. The video also emphasized the importance of setting clear and achievable goals. Alex had always made vague, broad to-do lists, which made his tasks seem overwhelming. Instead, he learned to break his projects into specific, actionable steps. For example, instead of writing "work on project," he would write "draft the introduction for the project." This made his tasks less intimidating and more approachable. Another powerful strategy from the video was to eliminate distractions. Alex realized that his phone was his biggest distraction. He decided to create a designated workspace free from distractions. He turned off notifications, put his phone on airplane mode, and told his friends and family about his dedicated work times. The video also discussed the concept of self-compassion. It was essential not to be too hard on oneself when things didn't go as planned. Alex learned to forgive himself for past procrastination and to treat each day as a new opportunity to improve. Lastly, the video encouraged viewers to reward themselves after completing tasks. Alex decided to implement a reward system, treating himself to something enjoyable after finishing his work sessions. Whether it was a short walk, a favorite snack, or a few minutes of his favorite game, these small rewards kept him motivated. Armed with these new techniques, Alex began to notice a significant change. He was no longer paralyzed by the fear of starting. Instead, he felt equipped with the tools to tackle his tasks head-on. His productivity soared, and he started to meet his deadlines with ease. Months later, Alex reflected on his journey. He was grateful for that fateful evening when he discovered the Brain Food Channel. The tips and tricks he learned had not only helped him overcome procrastination, but also transformed his approach to work and life. Alex knew that procrastination might still rear its head from time to time, but now he had the strategies to overcome it and continue moving forward on his path of personal development. If you found Alex's story inspiring and want to learn more about overcoming procrastination and other personal development topics, make sure to subscribe to the Brain Food Channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Like this video if it helped you, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Let's level up our lives together.